Hello Lorenzo, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, 143,955 kilometers, and it's on sale right now. It's been discount from 11,488. Now we're selling for 99.99 plus HST and license. The vehicle is very clean, brand new tires, fully safety certified. Great outside, black interior. The car is available. If you have some time to come take for a test drive, please let me know. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.